Hey everyone, let's turn those fabric scraps into adorable sunflowers. I'm using a mug to trace my circles, easy and consistent. You'll need 8 orange circles for the petals, 1 brown circle for the flower center, and 1 green for the back. If you fold your fabric into layers, you'll cut multiple circles at once, so much faster. Fold each orange circle in half once, then fold it again into a quarter shape. Now, stitch along the raw edge, just 6 or 8 little stitches will do. Once you've done all 8, gently pull the thread to gather them into a flower shape. Take your brown circle and do a simple running stitch all the way around the edge. Pull it gently to form a little pocket, stuff it with cotton, and then pull tight to close it. Stitch that brown center right onto the middle of your petal ring. Repeat that same circle stitch stuff trick with the green fabric, or just cut a flat felt circle. Sew it onto the back of your flower to keep everything tidy. Let's make another one. This time I'm using a bigger mug as my circle pattern. Want to wear it? Add a pin to the back. Want to use it in your car vent? Just cut a small circle of felt. Make 2 small slits and slide the car vent clip through. Then stitch or hot glue it onto the back of your flower. Boom! Instant car charm. Your adorable, eco-friendly sunflower is ready to brighten your day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations with me in the comments. Happy crafting, and see you next time.